Sorted terrific insights, have done my research, more friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Fair versus unfair practices, be like. 1. Fair, everyone gets a turn. Unfair, one person takes every turn. Reason, equal opportunities make activities more enjoyable. 2. Fair follows the same rules. Unfair, changing the rules halfway through. Reason, consistency builds trust. 3. Fair, win with skill. Unfair, win by cheating. Reason, honest success feels better. 4. Fair, shape the credit. Unfair, take all the credit yourself. Reason, teamwork deserves recognition. 5. Fair, listen to everyone. Unfair, ignore other opinions. Reason, every voice matters. 6. Fair, wait patiently in line. Unfair, cut to the front. Reason, respect keeps things orderly. 7. Fair, admit mistakes. Unfair, blame someone else. Reason, honesty earns respect. 8. Fair, encourage others. Unfair, put others down. Reason, kind words build confidence. 9. Fair, keep promises. Unfair, break them without explanation. Reason, reliability strengthens relationship. 10. Fair, give everyone a chance. Unfair, play favorites. Reason, inclusion creates fairness. 11. Fair, celebrate together. Unfair, brag to make others feel bad. Reason, humility makes victories sweeter. 12. Fair, help someone learn. Unfair, laugh at their mistakes. Reason, learning takes encouragement. 13. Fair, respect personal space. Unfair, ignore boundaries. Reason, respect builds comfort. 14. Fair, ask before borrowing. Unfair, take things without asking. Reason, permission shows respect. 15. Fair, tell the truth. Unfair, spread rumors. Reason, truth supports trust. 16. Fair, take responsibility. Unfair, make excuses every time. Reason, accountability helps everyone grow. 17. Fair, play by the rules. Unfair, look for unfair shortcuts. Reason, integrity matters. 18. Fair, cheer for good effort. Unfair, only care about winning. Reason, effort deserves appreciation. 19. Fair, shares resources. Unfair, keep everything to yourself. Reason, sharing help the whole group. 20. Fair, stay calm during disagreements. Unfair, shout over everyone. Reason, respectful conversation solve more problems. 21. Fair, say thank you. Unfair, take kindness for granted. Reason, gratitude spreads positivity. 22. Fair, welcome newcomers. Unfair, leave them out. Reason, inclusion makes people feel valued. 23. Fair, give helpful feedback. Unfair, only criticize. Reason, constructive advice encourages improvement. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.